Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach you another line dance. I love this song, guys. This song is so beautiful. This dance is so beautiful. It is called Good Vibes with a Purpose, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504 251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. So let's stand on this side of the room. So facing in this direction, we're going to be dancing side by side. So it's only 3 parts. There's no tags, no bridge, and there's not a change in the dance. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 until the dance is over, okay? So the first part you're gonna do at all 4 walls, going counterclockwise, the same thing, okay? So it's gonna start with the weight on the left. So you're gonna run it up. 1 and kick, 2 and 3 and 4. Good walk back on the right, 5 and 6, do a toe, tap, and you turn 7 and 8. And that's what you're gonna do at all 4 walls. Okay? So we go up. Right, left, kick, right, left, out, in. Right, left, right. Tap the toe, quarter turn to your left. Let's do it here. Right, left, kick, right, left, out, in. Right, left, right. Toe tap. So don't turn. Tap with your toe, quarter turn to your left. Let's do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that toe tap is 7, turn on 8. Quarter turn to your left. We're going to do that at all 4 walls. That's part 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? That's part 1. That's it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a crossing kick. Moving up, and then we're going to do a quarter turn, a half turn to our left with 2 kicks. So this is how it looks. Cross and kick, and cross and kick, kick, kick. Half turn, right, left, with the right shoulder going forward. Half turn, right over left, left over right. Cross and kick, and cross and kick, kick, kick. The back wall, you're going to do the same thing. Cross and kick, with the right shoulder coming forward, half turn. Cross and kick, kick, kick. Then you're going to do a step pivot turn twice. Step pivot half, step pivot half. Okay? Real simple. Part 2. Cross and kick, a half turn with the right shoulder coming forward with 2 kicks, right, left. Repeat that again. When you come back here, you step pivot half, making a full turn. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, cross and kick, cross and kick, 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 cross and kick, kick, kick. Step pivot half, step pivot half. Now notice when I move forward on that cross and kick. Okay, let's add on. On the right, side rock, recover, and do a travel step. Side rock, recover, behind, side, front. 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 From here, you roll on the right, and you roll on the left, and you step pivot half, step pivot half. That's all. In place. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's all part of 2. So putting it together, part 2 is a cross and kick, kick 2 times, half turn, repeat that again. When you come back to the front, step pivot half, step pivot half. To set up for your side rock recover with the travels. Behind side front, side rock recover, behind side front, roll on the right, roll on the left, and step pivot half, step pivot half. That's all part of 2. So let's put it together. Cross and kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross and kick, cross and kick, kick, kick. Cross and kick, cross and kick, kick, kick. Step pivot half, step pivot half. Side rock recover, behind side front, behind side rock recover, behind. Roll right, right up, left up, step pivot half, step pivot half. That's all part of 2. So let's put 1 and 2 together. 1, all 4 walls. We're moving around. Part 2, we stay at this wall. Moving up. Okay? So let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Run it up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Cross and kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Side 5, 6, 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, now part 3, we're going to do on the right, the left, the right, and left. Same thing. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Out and up and out and up and cross and kick and cross and kick. Simple enough, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now we're just going to kick around and come back to the front. So the last kick was on the left. So I'm going to kick on my right shoulder going to come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6. Tapping on 6, which is the left. Coaster step. And my heel is up. So when I go, start on my right shoulder going to go forward, and I'm going to kick right. So let's do that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6, coaster 7 and 8. All right? So 6 is on the left coaster step. I just told you what we do on the right, we're going to do on the left. So out and in on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now I kick on my left shoulder come forward. Go forward, full turn, kick left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6. You're always going to tap on 6. So I started on my left, I would tap on my right with a coaster tap. Okay? On my right, because I got to repeat it on my right. So I did right, left, I got to do right, left again. So that means I'm starting on my right and I tap on my left, which is on 6. So out and up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6, coaster 7 and 8. Now I'm on my left. I did it on my right, I did it on my left, I did it on my right. Now I'm going to do it on my left, and that will be the last time, and the dance starts over. That completes part 3. Out and up on the left. So you're doing the same thing. On the right, the left, the right, left. Out and up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6 come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap 6. I tap on the right. Coasters 7 and 8. So I did right, left, right, left. Now I'm finished. My heel is up. I start over. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So on part 3, you're just doing it 4 times, just alternating. Right, left, right, left. So let's put 1, 2, and 3 together. That would be your first rotation. 1, 2, and 3. The rest of the dance looks the same. It's not going to change. All right? So part 1, all 4 walls moving counterclockwise. Part 2, you stand here. You do the cross and kick, but you're moving forward. Okay? You're doing it at the front and back wall. Part 3, we're staying at this wall. We're doing right, left, right, left. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Run it up. 1 and 2 and 3. Out 4. 5 and 6, 7. Turn 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. Right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Cross and kick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Half 5. 6 cross, 7 and 8 is 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8, side rock, 1, 2, travel 3 and 4, left 5, 6, 7 and 8, roll 1, 2 and 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8, part 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap 6, back 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap 6, close to 7 and 8. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap 6, coasters tap 7 and 8. So we did right, left, right, left. We're done. Now we here. Our heel is up. 1 and 2. Start the dance over again. That is good vibes with a purpose. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the RHODES teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.